This 2026 Jayco Granite Ridge 23S is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Frets RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a grotto decor interior, sleeps 2, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features outdoor kitchen. This 2026 Jayco Granite Ridge 23S is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500 AWD chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Frets RV.